And guess what? My hat is still his hat. Holy bam crackle stop! I am... What am I?
Dumb.
I'm retarded!
Oops.
Why am I retarded?
Because you just are.
Where are the voices? I hate the voices.
They're in your head. It's coming from your SpongeBob hat.
SpongeBob, it's not you.
He's grabbing a knife and going to stab you.
The voices.
He's going to kill you.
The voices.
I'm going to get you.
Stop with the voices. Stop with the voices. What is that?
It's a shot of camera.
I
I'm hearing voices.
love
Not you.
fried chicken. Oh, I love fried chicken. Here's gonna be my fried chicken song. Oh, I love fried chicken. Oh, yes, I do. I love fried chicken.
I'm surprised she can
How
even say.
about you?
No, we do not.
I love fried chicken.
And I hate you too.
The voice. Why won't they just stop?
Because we don't want to.
No, the voices.
He's going to stab you in the face. I'm right behind you.
I'm gonna get this thingamabob, and I'm gonna take this thingamabob, and I'm gonna take it and hit you in your thingamabob, and it's gonna like knock you out, voices. And believe me,
I'm going to put your thingamabob on the frying pan.
this is enough, you stupid voices. I'm gonna kick your butt. Yeah.
You're a retarded child, not a crazy child. Oops, I farted. Where's my Carmex?
Oh. Excuse me. I farted.
Where's your Carmex?
I'm gonna go now.